Break off versus break up. Both are different. Break off to separate or detach from something. Example 1. A small branch broke off the tree during the storm. Break up to end a relationship, to separate people. Example 1. They decided to break up after dating for 2 years. For easy reminder, break off, physical separation, a part breaks away from a whole. Break up, the end of a relationship or partnership.